Assalamu alaikum. Here we will talk about the types of elements. We have two different types, empty tags and container tags. HTML elements with no content are called empty elements or empty tags. BR is an empty element without a closing tag. The container is the area enclosed by the beginning and ending tags. Every HTML tag contains a tag name, tag attributes, and tag attributes value. For example, this image tag has attributes source, align, and alt. So in the previous lecture we created this and the output of and the result in the browser was this. Let's go to images.google.com and type nature and select any two images and save them in the folder where we have the project. Let's go to the project folder and here create a new folder, images. And save this file here, nature01. And let's select another image, this one. Right click and save this image in the folder images, nature02. Now we have two images. Let's go back to our Visual Studio Code. And here after this paragraph, let's type img and press enter. And in the source type images and slash. And here it is giving all the images name available in the folder images. Select the nature1 image. And alt, this is the image alternate image description which will appear if the image is not found or due to some error the image is not available, then it will show this description. Add another image here. Let's check this in the browser. And here are two images. Let's add a link here. Type A and press enter, and in href let's insert Facebook link here. Let's check this in browser, and here we can see that the Facebook is here. Let's add a break. And here it is. When we click this, and it will go to the facebook.com. And if we add an attribute target underscore blank and save this, and when we refresh and when we click this, it will open this link in a new tab. Let's check its source. And here you can see that we have each and everything available that we created so far. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. If you have any question, then leave it in comment section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.